So welcome to another video on AI chatbot using agents. So we saw the need for a RAG. For any business, their local knowledge has to be encapsulated to facilitate RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. In addition, an agent will also require tools. We saw a restaurant table booking tool, an airport pickup booking tool, and a room booking tool. So depending on the business, need tools to be added to the agent so that agent can decide when to use those tools. Now, in addition, agent will also need short-term and long-term storage. So in this video, we'll see the short-term memory first, and then we will see the long-term storage. I have created the demo application. Access to this code is available in the description. So let's look at the code first. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. In the code, here we have defined the memory for the agent, and then here we have the storage. Okay, so agent definition has two items added, and this is the SQLite database memory.db, and the storage.db will have the storage. So let's look at both of them. So application has been started. There is no database. Okay, let me ask what is 2 plus 2. I'm not providing any information. I'm only asking. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Let's look at the storage and memory. Memory is empty. What about storage? Storage has got one row added. If you look at it, at the end, you will find summary. Okay, so here you will find well-structured area called summary. And this summary also maintains topics in addition to the interaction. So topics, arithmetic, addition. And it is also having an empty memories. Let's see what that is used for. So remember, storage maintains the log of our interactions in addition to creation of a summary. And memory is still empty because we haven't provided any information. So now I'm going to provide some information. I am Sri. I love running long distances. Okay, so it is updating the memory. Okay, it is updating the memory. So let's now look at the memory and see. Okay, so now memory has a row. So see here, Sri loves running long distances. User's name is Sri and they love long distance. Memory maintains all pertinent information about the user. I'm going to again provide some information. I was working with KLM Airlines. Okay, so it's updating memory. Okay, so let's refresh this. See, one more row is added in the memory. See here, user was working with KLM Airlines. Now, let's look at the storage DB. This one, if you come to the summary section, see here, summary, user mentioned working with KLM Airlines, and topics KLM Airlines, and in memories, user was working. So this agent storage has summary as well as memories. So the memories are a copy of the short-term memory itself. This will go on building as we interact with the agentic system with storage and memory. So this will give us the proper context so that every user who visits your chat system will have complete information about you. This makes the agentic chat system self-learning. So it's actually adding to its knowledge. So that is what I wanted to highlight in this short video. So coming back to our initial picture, now it's clear, right? The storage will maintain a log of complete session interactions, and memory maintains pertinent information about the user. So that is it for this short video. See you again in the next video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.